Baking soda is a pantry staple in many homes. But did you know this humble ingredient is a cleaning powerhouse? It's true. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a natural and affordable way to tackle countless tasks around the house. From scrubbing stubborn stains to freshening up carpets, baking soda is a versatile and effective solution for a cleaner, healthier home. In this guide, we'll explore 10 amazing life hacks using baking soda. Whether you're looking for natural cleaning solutions, personal care tips, or household hacks, baking soda is here to simplify your life. Get ready to be truly amazed by the power of this pantry staple. The kitchen is often the heart of the home, where families gather to cook, eat, and share stories. But with all that activity, it's also prone to grease, grime, and stubborn food stains that can be tough to remove. Baking soda can be your secret weapon in the battle against kitchen messes. This versatile and natural cleaner is both effective and safe. For a sparkling clean sink, sprinkle baking soda on the surface and scrub with a damp sponge. The gentle abrasiveness of baking soda helps lift away grime without scratching. To tackle greasy pots and pans, sprinkle baking soda on the bottom, add hot water and let it soak for a few minutes. This method helps to break down tough, burnt-on food residues. The baking soda will help loosen the grease, making it easier to clean. You'll be amazed at how effortlessly the grime comes off. You can also use baking soda to clean your oven, microwave, and even your dishwasher. It's a multi-purpose cleaner that can handle a variety of kitchen surfaces. Simply sprinkle baking soda on the surfaces, let it sit for a few minutes, and wipe clean with a damp cloth. This simple step can make a big difference in maintaining a clean kitchen. Baking soda is a safe and effective way to keep your kitchen sparkling clean without the use of harsh chemicals. It's an eco-friendly solution that ensures your kitchen remains a welcoming space for family and friends. The bathroom is another area prone to germs and odors. Baking soda can help keep your bathroom fresh and clean. To eliminate unpleasant odors from your toilet, sprinkle baking soda into the bowl. Let it sit for a few minutes, and then scrub and flush. You can also use baking soda to clean your bathtub and shower. Make a paste with baking soda and water and apply it to the surfaces. Let it sit for a few minutes, and then scrub and rinse. Baking soda is also effective at removing soap scum and mildew. For a sparkling clean bathroom, sprinkle baking soda on a damp sponge and use it to wipe down surfaces. Rinse well with water and enjoy a fresh and clean bathroom. Baking soda's cleaning power extends far beyond the kitchen and bathroom. It can be used to clean a variety of surfaces throughout your home. For example, baking soda is a great natural carpet deodorizer. Simply sprinkle baking soda on your carpets. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes and then vacuum it up. Baking soda can also be used to remove crayon marks from walls, clean silver jewelry, and even polish chrome fixtures. To clean silver jewelry, line a bowl with aluminum foil, add hot water, baking soda, and your silver jewelry. Let it soak for a few minutes, then rinse and dry. To polish chrome fixtures, simply sprinkle baking soda on a damp cloth and rub the fixtures until they shine. Rinse with water and dry for a sparkling finish. Section 5. A brighter smile. Baking soda for teeth whitening. Welcome to our guide on achieving a brighter smile using a simple household item. Looking for a natural way to brighten your smile? Baking soda can help. It's an affordable and effective solution that many people have turned to for years. Baking soda has natural whitening properties that can help remove surface stains from your teeth. These stains can come from coffee, tea, or even certain foods. To make a simple teeth whitening paste, mix a small amount of baking soda with water to form a paste. You can also add a pinch of salt for extra cleaning power. Apply the paste to your toothbrush and brush your teeth as usual. Make sure to cover all surfaces of your teeth for an even whitening effect. Avoid brushing too hard, as this can damage your enamel. Gentle, circular motions are best to protect your teeth while still getting them clean. Use this method once or twice a week for best results. Overuse can lead to sensitivity, so moderation is key. However, it's important to note that baking soda should not replace regular brushing and flossing. Your daily dental routine is crucial for maintaining overall oral health. For optimal oral health, continue to visit your dentist regularly for checkups and cleanings. Professional advice and cleanings are essential for a healthy smile. If you have any concerns about your teeth or gums, consult your dentist before using baking soda for teeth whitening. They can provide personalized advice based on your dental history and needs. Section 6. Freshen up naturally, baking soda as a deodorant. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer that can help neutralize body odor. It works by absorbing moisture and neutralizing the acids that cause body odor. To make your own natural deodorant, simply mix a small amount of baking soda with water to form a paste. Apply the paste to your underarms and let it dry completely. You can also add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to the paste for a pleasant scent. Baking soda is a gentle and effective alternative to commercial deodorants, which often contain harsh chemicals. However, it's important to note that baking soda may not be suitable for everyone, especially those with sensitive skin. If you experience any irritation, discontinue use. Section 7. Soothe and smooth. Baking soda for skincare. Baking soda can also be beneficial for your skin. It has gentle exfoliating properties that can help remove dead skin cells and unclog pores. To make a simple baking soda scrub, mix a small amount of baking soda with water to form a paste. Gently massage the paste onto your skin in circular motions, then rinse with warm water. This can help leave your skin feeling soft and smooth. Baking soda can also be added to your bath water for a relaxing and soothing experience. Simply add half a cup of baking soda to your bath water and soak for 20 to 30 minutes. This can help soothe irritated skin, relieve itching, and soften dry skin. Section 8. Neutralize unwanted odors, from refrigerators to carpets. In this section, we will explore the versatile uses of baking soda, a common household item, to keep your home smelling fresh and clean. Baking soda is a highly effective odor neutralizer, making it a valuable tool for tackling unpleasant smells around your home. Its natural properties allow it to absorb and neutralize odors, rather than just masking them. One common use is in the refrigerator. Food items can often leave behind strong odors that linger and mix, creating an unpleasant smell. Place an open box of baking soda at the back of your refrigerator to absorb odors and keep your fridge smelling fresh. Replace the box every 3 months for optimal results. For carpets and rugs, sprinkle baking soda over the surface, let it sit for at least 30 minutes, and then vacuum thoroughly. This method is particularly useful for pet owners, as it helps to remove pet odors from the carpet fibers. This will help eliminate odors trapped in the fibers, leaving your carpets smelling fresh and clean. For tougher odors, you can let the baking soda sit overnight before vacuuming. You can also use baking soda to freshen up your garbage disposal. Over time, food particles can build up and cause unpleasant smells. Simply pour half a cup of baking soda down the drain, followed by a cup of vinegar. The combination creates a fizzing reaction that helps to break down food particles and neutralize odors. Let it fizz for a few minutes, then flush with hot water. This process not only neutralizes odors, but also helps to keep your pipes clean and clear. This will help neutralize odors and keep your garbage disposal smelling clean. Regular maintenance with baking soda can prevent future odor buildup and ensure a fresh-smelling kitchen. Section 9. Laundry Day Booster. Softer clothes and brighter whites. Baking soda can be a valuable addition to your laundry routine, helping to soften clothes, brighten whites, and remove stubborn stains. Add half a cup of baking soda to your washing machine along with your regular detergent. Baking soda helps to regulate the pH balance in the wash water, preventing colors from fading and whites from becoming dingy. For tough stains, make a paste of baking soda and water and apply it directly to the stain. Let it sit for a few minutes before washing as usual. Baking soda is gentle on fabrics, making it a safe alternative to harsh chemical stain removers. It's also effective at removing odors from clothes, such as those caused by sweat or mildew. Section 10. Pampered Pets. Baking soda for a cleaner, healthier pet. Baking soda can also be used to keep your furry friends clean and healthy. For a quick and easy dry shampoo, sprinkle baking soda onto your pet's fur, massage it in, and then brush it out. This will help absorb excess oil and dirt, leaving their coat clean and fresh. You can also use baking soda to clean your pet's bedding. Sprinkle baking soda on the bedding, let it sit for at least 30 minutes, and then vacuum it up. This will help neutralize odors and keep their sleeping area fresh and clean. However, it's important to note that baking soda should not be used directly on your pet's face or eyes. If you have any concerns about your pet's health, consult your veterinarian. Section 11. Baking soda, an all-around winner. From cleaning and deodorizing to personal care and pet care, baking soda is a true all-around winner. Its versatility, affordability, and effectiveness make it a must-have in every home. Embrace the power of baking soda and discover a world of simple solutions for a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable lifestyle. Remember, a little baking soda goes a long way. So, stock up on this pantry staple and unlock its amazing potential.